Alright guys, people always ask me where I get Costco. Number one, the tuna. Number two, the rice. And now, number three, chickpea marsala. It's my new thing. I'm gonna get three of these. No. And finally, the most important thing out of all of this is, of course, the beer. So, so this is Coors Light 36 pack for $21.59. Alright, so let's see what I have so far here. This is like my typical weekly shopping. Show you guys everything. Alright, this is what we got. The whole fucking cart. So we have 3 36 bags, 1 package of 12 cans of tuna, 3 containers of chickpea marsala, 1 container of Spanish style rice. And each one of those boxes has chickpea marsala has 8 pouches, 6 pouches, and the Spanish style rice. So yeah, it's like this is my weekly food right here. Alright, hope that answers some questions.